Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Geeks and it's me Roshan Shrestha. On today's session we'll be talking about setting up the Python in your local machine. We'll be beginning with Python installation followed by the PyCharm IDE installation. Before proceeding towards the installation, let's open up the command prompt and type Python in CMD mode. If the Python is already installed in your machine, then it will provide you with the versions and other details of Python. It implies it's not already installed. Now, the installation process is pretty much straightforward. We'll be navigating to python.org. The current version for Windows is 3.11.2. If you are on other platform, you can select accordingly. Press the download Python option, then your file will begin to download. I've already downloaded the Python version. I'm going to open this one. I'm going to add python.exe to the path and proceeding with the installation process for downloading the PyCharm. Press on get PyCharm. Then there is going to be two options. One is professional edition, where you'll be getting free 30-day trial. We can proceed with the community version for now. Okay, it's almost completed the setup process. Okay, nice. Now let's verify this one. Command prompt Python. 3.11.2, which means we have successfully installed Python on our local machine. Let's proceed with the one arithmetic operation. 2 plus 1, 3. In order to come out of this one, we can enter exit. Okay, nice. For the PyCharm community version installation, you can run the downloaded executable file and proceed with the normal installation. Is the normal software installation. Now I've already installed this one. Now let me open in order to create new project file, new project, then we can write anything, any name is for our requirement. Let's say new project 1, new environment using virtual env. I believe I pressed the cancel button. Python project 1. Okay, let's say we are going to name it new project 1. Create. Okay, this window. Main.py file is the one which is going to be of our concern. Let's press the run button. Now PyCharm is provided as an output, which implies we have successfully installed the PyCharm IDE. In order to verify, we can remove all the statements and normally type print, and let's begin with hello world and run this one. Okay, awesome. So we have successfully installed Python and PyCharm IDE as well. I'll be catching you guys in next video with content related with Python. Till then, have a good time. Thank you.